Instructions for Pom Pom bookmarks are March craft. Included in your kit are yarn, 2 pieces, one long, one shorter, and 2 rectangles of cardstock. You will need scissors, glue, and a card. Now first take your plastic card, your library card would actually be ideal, then take your longest piece of yarn and wrap it around the card 50 or 60 times. Fold the shorter piece of yarn in half. Carefully slide your yarn off the card and loop the folded piece of yarn around the middle of the yarn bundle you've just removed from the card. Put the 2 ends through the loop and tighten. Open the ends and bring it around the back of the bundle and tie it in a nice tight knot. Now start snipping loops. Be sure not to cut the tail while you are snipping the loops. When you've snipped both sides, fluff the pom-pom and trim it to make a nice round shape. Now for the finishing touch. Take the pieces of cardstock, white side up, and apply glue to the surface. Place your bookmark in the center of one piece of cardstock, leaving about 1.25 inches of yarn below the pom-pom. Place the other piece of cardstock on top and press firmly. Trim the tail to the desired length and tie the ends in a knot. There you have it. Your Pom Pom bookmark is ready to keep your place in your next great read from the library.